From this to this. Subscribe. Hi, in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys on how to increase views on your TikTok videos instantly for free. Okay, I'll teach you guys on how to auto views in your TikTok video. And this tutorial video is 100% safe and 100% legit. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Okay, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first, I will show you first my TikTok profile. I will show you first my views on my videos. Okay, as you can see, I have 3 views only in my TikTok video. So let's get more views on that video. Okay, let's auto views. So this is on how to increase views on your TikTok videos instantly for free. So first, go to Chrome if your phone is Android and go to Safari if your phone is iPhone. Okay, so if you're done, click the search in the up button and search this. Now click the first one. Click this. Now scroll down and find this. Now put your TikTok username on this. So let's put my username. So noted. This is 100% safe, so don't worry, okay? So if you're done to put your username, click this continue button. Now retip the code. So if you can't read clearly, you can click the refresh code to give you a new code. Okay, so if you're to copy the code, click the continue button. So if you're done, click this auto views button. Scroll down and click the visit website button. There will always be ads here. Just click the X. If you're done, scroll down and click the send views button. You can click the choose limit button to choose the views you want to send to your videos. Okay? Success. Views has been successfully sent to mention post. So let's check my TikTok video if it's work. Watch this. So it's work. So that's for all in this video. I hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.